Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Porsche Panamera. First, ensure your Panamera is in park or neutral. Locate your key fob, which has the Porsche emblem. Insert the key fob fully into the ignition slot on the left side of the steering wheel. This action prepares the vehicle's electrical system for ignition. You're now ready for the next step in starting your luxury sports car. Once the key fob is inserted, turn it clockwise to the first position. This activates the accessory power. Continue turning the key fob clockwise to the second position, which engages the starter motor. Hold it there briefly until the engine fully ignites. As soon as the engine starts, release the key and it will spring back to the run position. Your Panamera is now running smoothly. Some Panamera models feature a convenient push-button start. For this method, first, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, locate the start/stop button, typically found on the dashboard near the steering wheel. Press this button once to ignite the engine. The vehicle's sophisticated system will handle the rest, bringing your Panamera to life effortlessly. This offers a modern starting experience. If your Panamera doesn't start, first check the vehicle's battery charge. A weak battery is a common issue. Also, ensure the key fob battery isn't depleted, as this can prevent recognition. Double-check that the transmission is fully engaged in park or neutral. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual or a certified Porsche technician for further assistance. These steps cover common starting problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.